Today, I'm going to walk you through how to book a tutor online on the GoPrep platform. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and type GoPrep.com into the search bar. When the results appear, click on GoPrep Tutor Marketplace for online lessons. This takes you to the homepage. Make sure you log in or sign up as a student before continuing. Once logged in, go to the top menu and click on Find Instructors. You will see a list of tutors. Let's say you find an instructor named Frida and you're interested in her profile. Click on her name to view her details. You'll see her profile completion percentage, languages she teaches in, a short description, subjects she offers. We want to book her for creative arts and design. Scroll down to view her availability. Frida is available on Saturdays from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now, scroll back up and click on Book a Tutor. You'll now choose start and end date, days of the week, time for the lessons. Since she teaches only on Saturdays, select any Saturday as both the start and end date. For the time, she is available 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., so we will select a 2-hour lesson from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Then click on Show Availability. You will now see 2 available time slots, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Select both slots to complete your 2-hour session. Click Save and Continue. On the next screen, you can choose whether the lesson is for yourself or for someone else. If it's for someone else, click that option and fill out the short form. Both the tutor and the person you are booking for will receive notifications. For this tutorial, we'll continue with For Myself. Click Save and Continue. You'll now see the total cost. Frida charges 120 GHS per hour, so 2 hours equals 240 GHS. Scroll down and click Proceed to Checkout. At checkout, most fields will autofill from your profile. Confirm the details. Tick I'm not a robot. Accept the terms and conditions. Choose whether you want SMS notifications, optional. Next, select your preferred payment method, Visa or MasterCard, mobile money, MTN, Vodafone, Airtel Tigo. If paying with mobile money, select the network, enter your phone number, and click Continue to complete payment. When payment is made, the money does not go directly to the teacher. It is held safely in an escrow account. The money will only be released to the tutor after the lesson has been successfully delivered. Thank you for joining this GoPrep tutorial. We appreciate you, and we're excited to make your learning journey smoother and more convenient. See you again in the next tutorial.